Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to link Bluevine with Venmo or Cashapp. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. First step is to open the Venmo or Cashapp on your mobile device and log in using your account credentials. Next is to navigate to settings or bank accounts in the app. Now select add bank account or link bank. Now you're going to enter your Bluevine routing number and the account number. Of course, you can find that in your Bluevine dashboard under account information. Next, Venmo or Cashapp may verify the account with one of two methods. The first is instant verification via your online banking login or micro deposits. For micro deposits, confirm the exact amount in the app once they appear in your Bluevine account. Next, once verified, you can transfer funds between Bluevine and Venmo or Cashapp instantly. Fees may apply for instant transfers. Check your Bluevine transactions tab to confirm funds arrival. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.